Georgia has different regions, and every region have their khachapuri. I made today, it's a Ajarian khachapuri, Ajaruli. This is a region Ajara. Traditional Ajaruli khachapuri, which one made from imeruli and sulbuni cheese. It's like a feta and mozzarella. One of my clients tell me, this is a firework in your mouth.